Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Let's bowl off with cricket. The Cricket West Indies directorship is heading back to the polls next month after Azim Basarath was forced to vacate the post of Vice President following last week's judicial pronouncement from the High Court of Guyana. However, as Renardo Brown reports, a return for Basarath could be on the cards.
The Guyana Cricket Board finally got their way after challenging the election of Trinidad and Tobago Cricket Board President Azim Basarath to the Vice President post at Cricket West Indies. Basarath was elected unopposed at CWI's 24th AGM in Antigua in March 2023. However, the GCB, one of the boards who had endorsed the Trinidadian, had argued that Basarath should not have been allowed to take office after they withdrew their nomination ahead of the election. On Monday, CWI announced in a press release that pursuant to the bylaws of CWI, an extraordinary general meeting will be convened with the sole purpose of electing a new vice president. Barbados Cricket Association Vice President Calvin Hope, who is a director at CWI, says Basarath should never have held the post given the circumstances.
If you are supposed to have two people nominating you, and on the day of the election you only have one, you cannot be a valid candidate, because a person must have the right to withdraw support from you whenever they like. They might discover something they don't like about you. You might have been dishonest to them or something, whatever it is.
The release also stated that CWI reaffirms its unwavering commitment to democratic principles and transparency, and that the forthcoming election will be conducted with the highest standards of fairness and in alignment with CWI's core values. But Hope has challenged that statement as he believes a return for Basarath is imminent.
The election calls for too much battering, and I can tell you this, I would not be surprised if you don't see Azim Basarath back there, and that will send the message that the full members are closing ranks, that it's a closed shop. I mean, and you having a new election, right? And you're only going to give 1 week for nominations with a big organization. What message does that send? So you are saying that anybody else in the Caribbean that was interested have no time to even campaign and to approach any full members and say, are you interested?
The extraordinary general meeting is set for September 20.